Hi viewers, welcome back to ICanGardening, your go-to source for all things green and growing. Today we have an exciting gardening tutorial for you. We are going to learn how to plant radishes step by step so you can enjoy these crisp, spicy delights right from your own garden. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this guide will help you grow beautiful radishes in no time. So let's get our hand dirty and dive right in. Radishes are one of the easiest and fastest growing vegetables you can plant, making them perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Step 1. Choose the right location. The first step in growing radishes successfully is choosing the right location. Radishes love sunlight, so pick a spot in your garden that receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Well-draining soil is also essential for healthy radishes growth. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Now that we have our spot, it's time to prepare the soil. Start by removing any weeds or debris from the area. Then use a garden fork or tiller to loosen the soil to a depth of about 6 to 8 inches. Radishes prefer loose, well aerated soil to develop those plump roots. Step 3. Amend the soil. To give your radishes a nutritional boost, consider adding some compost or well-rooted organic matter to the soil. This will improve soil fertility and provide essential nutrients for your radishes plant. Number 4. Sow the radishes seeds. Now comes the fun part. Sowing the radish seeds. Radish seeds are quite small, so sprinkle them evenly across the soil surface. You can plant them in rows or simply scatter them if you prefer a more natural look. Space the seeds about 1 inch apart. Step 5. Watering. After sowing, gently water the area to settle the soil and ensure good seed to soil contact. Keep the soil consistently moisture but not waterlogged throughout this growing season. A drip irrigation system or a soaker house can be especially helpful. Step 6. Thin out seedlings. As your radish seedling sprout, you shall need to thin them out to give the remaining plants enough space to grow. When they reach a height of about 2 to 3 inches, then them to 2 to 3 inches apart for larger varieties and 1 to 2 inches for smaller ones. Step number 7. Fertilize. About 3 weeks after planting, give your radishes a gentle boost by applying a balanced all-purpose fertilizer. Follow the manufacturer's instruction for application rates. Step number 8. Harvesting. And now the moment you have been waiting for. Harvesting your radishes. Depending on the variety, radishes are typically ready for harvest in 20 to 30 days. They should be firm and vibrant in color. Simply grasp the leaves and gently pull the radishes from the soil. There you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide on how to plant radishes. It's a rewarding and relatively quick gardening project that can be enjoyed by gardeners of all levels. Fresh homegrown radishes are not only delicious but also great addition to salads, sandwiches and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to ICanGardening for more gardening tips and tricks. And remember, the journey of a radish begins with a single seed. Happy gardening! And until next time, keep those green thumbs busy.